Hey guys, a little impromptu Friday evening video for you. So, we're getting some good guesses on that wireless scale giveaway. A couple of you are fairly close. Nobody within 1,000, but I might just go ahead and give it to somebody who's closest. You don't have to be within 1,000. We will see. But got some good guesses. I got some really outrageous guesses. You know, if you think I'm running a year-long HVAC business and my gross profit after 1 year is $65,000, whoo, boy, I better go work at McDonald's, because after taxes I'm not making much. So yeah, let's stay in the real world here. A couple of you know business really well, and I can tell. And you're fairly close. You're not quite there, but you're close. A couple of you, I wish I was making what you thought I made, but I do pretty good, considering that I kind of slack sometimes. But as a business owner, a one-man band, I can do that. But when I need to make money, I can make money, and I always take care of all my customers, so there is that. But just want to check in on this Friday night. Like I said last week, the live streams are getting a little bit of a hiatus. I'm not going to do those for a while. They weren't going very well, and they take a lot of energy and a lot of time away from the family, because I end up sitting there for like an hour and a half in the evening, and I just don't have time to do that. Not with my little 4-year-old and everything else. They're very understanding, but I don't think it's cool to do that. If I was a single guy, or if I was a older married couple without any kids, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. Hell, I'd even have my wife come join me on it. You guys would like to see a beautiful woman from time to time, I'm sure. Especially that guy named Steven Short on Facebook. I bet he'd love to see a beautiful woman. But he's going to be making love to a cheesecake all weekend, from what I saw. So anyway, just a quick little check-in with you. I'm going to try to keep this under 5 minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed the brazing video today. I really enjoyed doing that one. Some people don't know exactly where to set their gauges as far as their oxygen and acetylene. I'm totally against turbo torches. I don't think they should be used. Oxygen, acetylene is the way to go. Use your 15% silver phosphorus, Silphos, to braze your copper. Always flow nitrogen with it, and you won't have very many issues. You know, back in the day when they used to do the R22s, they weren't as critical as far as flowing nitrogen and having corrosion or the flaking inside of the copper. Even though you still should have been flowing nitrogen, because they do it in the factory. At least when you go visit the factory, they tell you that they do, or they show you that they do. Let's hope they're doing it all the time. Nitrogen is a readily available element in the atmosphere. I don't know why we're paying for it, but we pay for oxygen too. So pay for water, we pay for dirt. So the world's kind of upside down, isn't it? We shouldn't. I know we got to pay people to get to gather it and box it or bag it or whatever, but now I'm just rambling. This world could work a little differently than it does. The fact that people pay $5 to $6 for a cup of coffee is pretty crazy. So anyway, just a quick little check-in on this Friday. I won't bore you anymore. Hope everybody's having a good time. You want to have a couple beers, if iced tea is your thing, whatever it may be. Enjoy life, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, enjoy your pets, whatever it may be. I'll see you guys next time.